Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make text semicircle in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, select the ellipse tool. You can use shape or path as I wish. Example, I use shape, then hold shift, direct selection path, press Ctrl X, remove. Then click again text layer, select the text color and use middle. Then type your own text, design zone 1.0. Okay, double click, paragraph fill. Okay, then again modify this. Select the shape, use, do not use fill color, only use stroke color. Increase the stroke size, align middle. Okay, or do not use stroke. Select only path. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.